Well, happy fall, y'all. Look at this wonderful sale, great for the DIYer. Pumpkins, leaves, acorns, gourds, porch leaner signs, more pumpkins and gourds and more interesting designs, a fall tiered tray, spooky Halloween items, lots and lots of do-it-yourself, easy-to-do signs, a beautiful fabric pumpkin kit on sale at 25% off, and more signs. Everything you need to make your home comfy and cozy for fall. And look at these amazing tiered trays from Halloween to fall. Everything you need, and spooky houses too. The Hey Pumpkin kit is perfect for the newbie. It comes on an erasable surface, so no problems if you make a mistake. If you can butter toast, you can chalk. More info and all the deets right here.